Okay, now let me teach you how to install the print head with the ink damper connector. First, we take out print head and print head connector suit from the focus package. This is the print head connector package, and 4 print head screw and with the rubber fastener ring. First connect the black rubber ring to the connectors. Then open the package of the print head. And then install the Be sure first, before we install the ring to the print head, we must be sure inside is empty. If it have the ring inside, we must take out the ring, the fastener ring, this one. We must be sure this is taken out already. And then put the with the correct position, and then we fasten the screw. Then fasten the screw. Then fasten the front too. With the faster metal. Then put to the print head. We must fasten the 2 screw fasten wear, or it will be leak ink from the connector. We install the 2 front screw with the metal ring, and the back side left and right 2 screw are fasten wear. Then we put the cable, print head cable to the printer. We find out the print cable. Before we install the print head cable, we must be sure the surface of the cable are not bent and not scratched and not dirty, no ink, no liquid. Then we put to the print head. The print head install to the printer like this way, and when we go to print head, we can see each side of the print head have 2 ports. Left, this is for right, and this is for left. And first we install the left side. We connect the cable, the bottom cable, this way, and opposite for top. be sure the cable not bent, and then install the back side. Also button 先从下面 view. This is the top cable. Then we install the bottom cable. So after installed, the print head like this. This is the left top, left up, and then this is the left down, and this is the right up, and this is the right down. So I have 4 cable, 2 cable for each side. Then we put the print head with print head cable and connector to the printer. Then we fasten the screw to lock the printer on the print head on the printer. So there are totally 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Back side. And also we installed another one with the same way for color. Then we install the print head cable for the color print head by the same way. We put the color print head as right side of the machine and locked it by the screw. Okay, after we put the 2 print head on the machine, the left is for white ink and the right one is for color ink. Then we install the print head cable on the carriage board. First, we open the front cover of the carriage board. When we go to the carriage board, we can see there are some cables, and this is the ink sensor that connect with this one. Ink sensor, and as we said before, must be sure the ink film is at the middle of the sensor without scratch the both sides and the top of the sensor. So this is the ink sensor port, and this is the left limb sensor. for this one, the left side limit sensor, and this is for the right home limit sensor at this way, this one. And here is the optical fiber cable connect with the main board, and also here have a TX and RX symbol. TX connect with the RX at the main board, while the RX connect with the TX at the main board. And also must be sure it's connected where. And here is the power cable for carriage board. And here, when we go to this port, we can see they also have some mark. We can see here have the left down and left up, right down and right up. The down up means the printhead up down cable. This is for left up and left down. First we connect the up cable by this way. Also we can see, before we connect, we can see there's a triangle mark at the edge, triangle, and this side is triangle mark. So on the pin, the cable with pin are connected with the triangle side. So first we connect the left up. Wait， 应该来，手放下，这样。Like this way, it's a left up. Then we connect the left down for white ink printhead. And this is connected by this way. The pin is at this side. Then we connect the same printhead for white ink printhead. This for up, this for right up. Then we connect the right down. This is the right down. Connect with the right down. So this is the connection for the white ink printhead. Then we connect the cable for color. Also we can connect back the ink damper for white ink. Is for input and for output. And this four for connect with the damper. Before we load ink, we must put back the damper. Because if you not put back the damper, if you keep the damper not connected, when you power on the machine and when you open the circulation, the white ink will be spread out to damage the printer and the electronic parts. So this is very important. Pay attention please. Install back all the ink damper before you power on the machine and before you power on the cap station. Before you power on the dampers. Then you load ink by the damper. Then we start to install the printhead for color. The printhead color for also have 4 cables, left up and left down and right up and right down. 先接左边。First, we install the left up for color printhead. Like this. Then we install the button down cable for the color printhead at this side. Then we install the right up cable to this port. Also check the connection not bent. Then we connect the right down cable to this port. Then connect back the ink damper. Before we connect back the damper, we must load ink by injection, as we talked before, for each color, and also each color have a mark for each color. BK means black ink, and put back the damper. And also load with another injection for another color. And this is why it means C means cyan. And also we load ink by injection for another color, magenta. Now we just for sure, it's M means magenta. If you load ink, you need to put ink on the ink bottle, then you start to load ink by injection. Then the last one is for yellow. And put it back. Y it means yellow. And then check each damper connect wire without shaking and leaking air. So this is the procedure for how to install the printhead with the ink damper connector, and how to install back the printhead on the machine, and also how to connect the printhead cable with the carriage board. Thank you.